Hey YouTube, what you see before you today is a little haul I got on Saturday from my local supermarket, and I just thought I'd fill you in on what we've got. It was quite a decent little selection on the reduced side, and there's also something as well that I want to point out, that typically what you aim for is yellow sticker items, but these phones that you'll see here were not actually yellow sticker items, they were just reduced to clear as it is. Obviously it's an end of line product they don't want anymore and they're clearing them off. But we'll start with the obvious items, which are the ones with the yellow stickers on. We've got some straightener sets. These are Babyliss straightener sets, Elegance 235. These were £15 each, reduced in store from £60 to £15, so that's going to grab your attention. To be honest, I bought these without even price checking them, because from 60 to 15 there's going to be a margin. Even if we sell them at half retail, we're going to make a profit. I've looked them up now since getting them back to the warehouse. They're going to go for about £31.95 on eBay, so it's more than double your money, and we'll sell them £31.95 delivered to the customer, and I would imagine they're going to go quite quick. Let's get them out of the way. Next item was Babyliss Elegance again, but 2100 hair dryers. These were down from 40 to 10. I've price checked these now. They're going for about, if we want to sell them quick to undercut everyone else, we're going to ship them at £29.95 delivered. That'll be a secure track delivery method, £29.95. It's good. It's not a huge discount against retail, but it's enough for people to hit that buy it now button, and we're going to make a good profit on them, almost 3 times what we paid. Next item up, we got these Philips Easy Speed Advanced irons. Now these were actually quite difficult to price check because I put in Philips Easy Speed, as you can see on the box. Didn't realise that there's a difference between a Philips Easy Speed and a Philips Easy Speed Advanced. One's got 3 ways, one's got 5 ways. This is the 5-way version, so slightly better. They're about 50 quid retail. I'm hoping to get £39.95 for these. It's quite difficult to price check because there's not too many sold in the black colour, but that's what I'm hoping to get. So I'm going to put them on at £39.95 delivered. If we get it, we get it. If we don't, we'll reduce it. I only paid £12 each. Well, £12.25 to be exact. It's a good markup. Even if we have to reduce that to £25, we're still doubling our money. But I think we will get £39.95. And I will update on these. I got 4 of them in total. However, one of them, and it's something to be aware of, one of them was slightly box damaged. So I will do that one a couple of quid cheaper, because what I don't want to do is do a listing with all 4 and then someone says, oh, well, this box has got a dent in it. So we'll list that one separately at a cheaper price. And I would always encourage you doing that. Even though the item inside is perfect, if a box is slightly damaged, sell it separately on its own. Photograph the box so the buyer knows what they're getting, because the last thing you want is someone to return something. It's not worth the hassle. Just give them a couple of quid discount and sell it separately. Finally, and this was the interesting item. These were listed at £80 retail. It's a twin handset, landline telephone. It's got the True Call Assistant, which blocks unwanted callers, etc. It's 2 handsets you'd have. One is your main, one is your secondary. So maybe you've got one where you normally have your phone, one in a bedroom. So if a phone call comes at night, you've got a secondary line. These were listed at £80 retail and they were reduced to £20. No yellow stickers, nothing like that. They were just obviously like an old model that's been reduced. £20 each. I've price checked these. I reckon we can get £49.95 each. I got 2, paid £20 each. I'm going to sell them at £49.95. Good margin, good return. So in total, this was bought Saturday in my local store. Paid £154 for everything. And I've always said to people, oh, you don't need a lot of money getting into this, but if you're getting into this sort of stuff, you'll start to build up that equity quite quick. Get in there, get it all. And do you know what I like about retail arbitrage? Say I bought these, because I bought everything here without price checking anything. I just looked at the retail, I looked at what I can get them for. If it's 20 quid, but it retails 80 quid, I'm going to grab it. This was £80 retail, £20 a buy. I bought both of them, didn't price check them, put them in the trolley, grabbed them, bought them, there and then. And people say, oh, but what if you find out they weren't worth anything? That's fine, take them back. whatever you pay for it, if you find out, if I went online and found out they were only worth $19.95 delivered, I could take them back to the shop and get my money back there and then. So there is no real risk. Buy it, grab it. The real risk is not buying it and coming back to the shop and somebody else has bought it. So get in there, grab it while you can. Put it in your trolley. Sometimes the best thing you can do, when this thing's discounted like these, stick it in your trolley, then price check it. Once it's in your trolley, no one will affect you, no one will come near you, no one will try and grab it off you. If it's not worth what you think it's worth, put it back on the shelf. If it is, grab it. So we've got a total investment of here, £154. At the retail price I want to sell these for, £415.35. I will repeat that. From £154 investment to £415.35. Even by the time we take off sales costs, even by the time we take off shipping, we are going to clear a very impressive margin on these. And this is why I encourage you to get out there and see what deals are available. If you're in your local supermarket and you see these products reduced from items like this at £40 to £10, get out there and grab them, because you can make yourself a little bit of money here, there and everywhere, and it all adds up. This is quite a nice haul, and I'm not going to say to you this is going to happen every time you go, but if you can grab a discount like this, and this is the reason, the back of these products show you these are now discontinued. That's why they're being cleared, and you can make yourself some serious bank, and it's so easy. You take these, get them home, photograph them, get them on eBay, get them online, get them sold, and you're going to make some good money. And I've been sort of pessimistic in the past and said, oh, you know, don't expect to make a fortune. But actually, if you're willing to put the time and you're willing to search around, you're willing to see what you can find, this is what you can do. And I will update you with the progress of these reports and tell you what these items went for and how much we made. And I'll even calculate the net profit by the time I've incorporated shipping and everything. But I wouldn't be surprised if we can make 200 quid net. So get out there and find what you can find, show your progress, and encourage others to do the same, because these deals are out there to be grabbed. Let's get them.